guys, it's Clay and Ian for a new segment, which is weird noises.
Of course it's weird noises, because we, in our other videos, we talk weird!
So the first noise I'm going to make is a sheep. You ready for this? Yeah, I know.
And now the second noise that I'm gonna make is a dying chicken.
Okay, so now I can make like a weird voice at talking on all my other videos, which is like this, and I'm like, what's up, back away from me now.
Oh, whoops, the pineapple.
You wanna spread something.
There you go.
That. Okay, so Ian, let's do another one single thing. Okay, thanks for listening to our new segment. Bye.
That was random. Bye, 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 bye.